Welcome back to Kodex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal. Do you love soccer? Have you ever dreamed of making your own soccer game? Today, we are going to create a super fun soccer game in Scratch. In this game, you will control the player, kick the ball, and score amazing goals. So, are you ready? But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your family and friends. And let's start coding and have fun. Now let's start making our soccer game. First, delete this cat sprite because we don't need it. Upload a backdrop and I will take my field. Okay, here is my field. And now delete this backdrop 1 because we don't need that also. Now go to codes. Choose a sprite and I will take Ben. And the size of the Ben is too large. So I will make the size 60. Perfect. Now go to the costumes. We have 4 costumes. I want this and this from these. I don't want this and this. So I will delete these both. Okay, here is it. And I will name the Ben A1, Ben B2. And now I will duplicate Ben 2. It's here. Now I'll just tilt it. To make the left and right movement, I will tilt it, do like this, and done. Perfect. It's looking nice. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Now go to codes and we will do a little coding for the position. First, go to events and take a when flag clicked. Then go to looks, scroll down and take show. And after show, go to motion and take go to x minus 70 y 0. You can type minus 70 at the x and 0 at the y. And after that, go to looks, scroll down and take go to front layer. Now, if I move Ben anywhere, okay, it's on this position, and I will click the flag and look, it's at its position. Now, duplicate this. And first, we will change the name of the both players. Ben, in which we have done the little coding of the positioning, I will name it player 1. And the next one is player 2. Okay, now go to costumes. Can you see it is exactly same, right? So, I will do something. Oh, we have a trick. First, we need to flip it horizontally. All the costumes flip it horizontally. And then, we will change the color of the socks and the t-shirt. Okay, so first I will go to the first one and I will go to fill color and take a yellow color, but a little dark, not that bright. This much is okay. And I will color this, and the socks. And remember that it should be at vector, not bitmap, or else the whole thing will be color. And yes, now go to second costume. I will color the socks and the t-shirt. Done. Now to the third. Now one thing we need to change more. Go to the first one and I will make the color a little darker. As the first one you can see, here is a little darker, right? So, the same thing we will do for this one. So, a little darker the right elbow, and the same side I will do for all sprites. Okay, done. Now I will show you all the costumes. Can you see this? Looking nice? And this also done, and this also. It's done. Now go to codes. And player 2 also has the same coding. The player which is in red shirt, name it player 1. And in yellow shirt, name it player 2. And the player 2 is at my right side. So, the player 1 coordinates, which is minus 70, you need to put the opposite of it. That is 70. Go to x 70 and y 0. Now see, both are at opposite positions. Now go to player 1 and let's do the coding of its movement. And for that, take a forever loop and inside that a if then. Now let's do a trick. The person which is moving the player 1 is comfortable with its left side because the player 1's goal is at left side. So the arrow keys are there at the right side of the keyboard. So what we can do is do the same order like up, down, left, right, but using W, A, S and D keys. So, like I will take the right side first. For that, go to sensing and take if key right arrow pressed but not right arrow. We need to take D because we are doing the same order as left, right, up and down arrow keys. So, the right arrow key is at the corner right side. D is the key bottom right side. So take if D pressed, then go to motion and take change X by 5 and go to looks, take switch costume to 2. Now I will duplicate this and take for the left, and the left arrow is at the bottom left. So you can see that the A is at the bottom left corner. So I will select A, key A pressed. Then change X by minus 5 and switch costume to 1. Now see the effect with using A and D. Oh, nice. Okay, now we will do the coding for the up and down. Now duplicate these both, put it after these both, but inside the forever loop. And now for the up arrow I will do. Instead of up arrow key, I will take W. If key W pressed, then you need to delete this change X by 5 and go to motion and take change Y by 5. Because if I will press the up arrow, the Y will change and switch costume to 3. And you can see the down key, that is S. So I will take the key S for the down arrow. Now change Y by minus 5 and switch costume to 3. Now let's see the effect, how it will work. W, oh nice, and S. It's going down by S and up by W. And at the right side by D and left side with A. And you can see it's changing the costumes also with the direction. And it can move also slanting. Now I will take the same thing and put it in the player 2. Here is the code. I will put it after go to front layer, and just you need to do is change the key. D is for the right arrow, so now player 2 is at the right side. So at the right side, arrow keys are available. So now we will use the arrow keys. We will take right arrow because the D is at the bottom right corner. And the next one is for the left. So left arrow. And the next one up arrow. And the last one is down arrow. Now see the effect. I will use the arrow keys now for the player 2 and together. Oh, looking nice, right? And yes, did you see that when I moved player 1 and player 2, they went outside. So we don't want that the player will go outside. So for that, go to player 1 and outside the if then, take a if on edge bounce and then set rotation style to don't rotate. These both blocks are necessary. And I will duplicate this, put it in the player 2. Inside this. Okay, it's here. Now see, if it's on edge, it will bounce and bounce. It will not go outside the boundary. And same for the player 1. Look, it's bouncing. Perfect. Now, I will take the soccer ball so that they could play in real. Okay, I will upload a sprite and I will take my soccer ball. Oh, it's too big. So, I will make the size 40. Perfect. So now, we will do the positioning of the soccer ball. For that, go to events and take when flag clicked. Then show motion, go to x0 and y0 and then point in direction, operators, pick random, minus 180 to 180. Now this is the coding for the soccer ball. Now see, it picked any direction. It's every time changing its direction. Now this is done. Let's move to the movement. Take a forever loop for the movement from control. Go to motion and take move 8 steps. And after that, go to control and take a if then. And inside this blank, take all. Go to sensing and take touching player 1. If touching player 1 or touching player 2, then turn clockwise 15 degrees. Now go to operators, take pick random 150 to 10 and then motion, move 10 steps. And outside the if then, you need to go to motion and put if on edge bounce. Now look, it's working perfectly, right? You can also touch. Oh, the player 2 was not able to touch. Oh yay, the player 2 won. One score actually. But now we didn't put the score. As you see in the real matches, there are nets for the goal. If the ball touched the net, the opponent will get the point. So for that, we are going to put nets. Okay, I will take this net and the size will be 80. Okay, take minus 210x and I will name this net 1. Okay, I will upload the net 2 now. Here is the net 2 and size 80 and the position is 210 and y0. Now I will set the position for the net 1 first. So I will go to events, when flag clicked, looks, show and motion, go to x minus 210 and y 0 and put this in the forever loop. Yeah, but don't put show in the forever loop. We have put it in the forever loop so that if someone moves it, it will go to the same position again. So the same thing we will do for the net 2 now. When flag clicked, show a forever loop and motion, go to x 210 and y 0. Done setting positions for the net. And look, if I change the position of the net 1, it will go to its position again. For the net 2 also. Now go to soccer ball. Before the if on edge bounce, you need to take another if then. And inside the if then blank, go to sensing and take touching net 1. If touching net 1, then go to control and wait 0.1 second and now make two variables. The first variable I will make is player 1 and this player 1 is for this player. So I will make it in a large readout and put it over here in between this and this line. And the next variable I will make is player 2 in a large readout, but right side. Now, if touching net 1, then wait 0.1 seconds and then change player 2 by 1 because if he hits and the ball touches this net, so its score should be increased. Because if the opponent goes, it should be his point. After this, I will go to sounds and choose a sound. I will take basketball bounce. Okay, now go to code, go to sounds and I will take start sound basketball bounce and then go to motion and go to x0, 0. I will duplicate this whole code and put it down. And I will do some changes in this. If touching net 2, wait 0.1 second and change player 1 by 1, start sound basketball bounce and go to x00. And yes, don't forget to set player 1 to 0 and set player 2 to 0. And now see the effect. Oh, one score. 1-1. Oh, you need to save. Oh no. Now. Now, go to the backdrops. And now we are going to do the game over and you win. Means player 1 win and player 2 win. So, I will upload a backdrop that is the player 2 and player 1 win. And see the backdrops. Isn't it look nice? So now, we will use these backdrops. First go to code, soccer ball, and let's do the coding for you win and game over now. I will take a when flag clicked, forever loop, if then, operators take is greater than block, variables player 1. If player 1 is greater than 9, means if the score of player 1 is equal to 10, then wait for
0.1 second. Events broadcast new message, that is player 1 wins. Then looks, hide, and then control stop off. And now duplicate this. Some changes. Instead of player 1, I will take player 2 from variables. If player 2 is greater than 9, then wait 0.1 second. Broadcast new message. Player 2 win. Hide and stop off. And now go to the stage. Take a when flag clicked. Looks. Switch backdrop to field. Because first we want the field backdrop. And then go to events and take when I receive player 1 win. Then looks, switch backdrop to player 1 wins. And I will take two sounds, that is connect and win. And the graph is little higher of win, so I will make it softer. Perfect. Now go to codes. Take play sound win for player 1. You can take connect or win. I will take win. And now I will duplicate when I receive player 2 win. Switch backdrop to player 2 win and the next sound which you have not taken. Now you need to move to every player. First, I will go to the player 1 and take when I receive player 1. Then hide and duplicate when I receive player 2 when hide. And put this inside the player 2 and the both net. But not the soccer ball. Because you can see we have done the juvenile game over coding in the soccer ball. And over here in the game over and you saw hide and hide. That makes it hide only. Now go to the backdrops. Our full coding is done. Just one thing left. That is the background music. So after switch backdrop to field, put a forever loop. And now go to sounds. I will choose the sound. Go to loops and take any sound you want. I will take video game 1. I made soft. I want to name it video game. And now I will go to sounds and take play sound video game until done. Now our game is fully ready. Let's go on big screen and start the game in 3, 2, 1 and go. Oh, nice game. Oh, one score, two score, to player 2. Seriously nice. It's nice game. I'm having fun. Come on. Take the ball. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. The goal. Oh yay. And go. Oh, go. Happened. Oh no. Here. Selfie. It's going to be. Oh, player 1 got 10 points. So, player Isn't it looking nice? Okay, Plato is going to win. Yeah. Oh, did it pay? Right way. Oh, did it pay? The goal. Oh, yeah, I have 4 points and he has 0 points. Wait. Oh, yeah. Come on. Hit it, man. Are you serious? Ah, focus on your goal. Yeah. Ah, what's going to... Oh, this time player to win with 10 points, but the player 1 has 0 points. I hope you like and understand this video. If you please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.